Hi, this is Dr. Preeti from Dr. Kishore's Dentistry. Wondering when to see a dentist for TMJ pain? Here's how to know it's time. Don't ignore if you have the following symptoms. Number 1, persistent jaw pain if it lasts for weeks or keeps coming back. Number 2, clicking or popping sounds, especially if you have pain or difficulty during moving jaws. Number 3, jaw locking or stiffness, struggling to open and close your mouth properly. Number 4, frequent headaches and ear pain. Your TMJ and the associated muscles could be the culprit. Number 5, worsening symptoms. Even if home remedies aren't working, then don't wait. Ignoring temporomandibular joint pain won't make it go away. The sooner you see the dentist, the easier it is to treat. For a happy and healthy smile, visit Dr. Kishore's Dentistry and follow us for more updates.